What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to access thousands of dollars in less than 5 minutes. No inquiry, no impact to your credit score. And the best thing about it is all you need to do this is your iPhone. So if I'm talking a little quick, that's my goal. Give you guys a video under 5 minutes. So if you're a business owner and you need access to funds, or if you just want extra flexibility for your own personal use, then definitely stay tuned to this video. Again, I'm gonna get this done in less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. So jumping right into it, the product that we're covering today is the Apple Card. The Apple Card is the first consumer credit card from Goldman Sachs, and as of this recording, it's a part of the MasterCard network. What does that mean? Anywhere that you can use a MasterCard, you can use this card, whether it's in the United States, outside of the United States. Now, I've had the Apple Card for a while now, but I actually requested a new one just so I can unbox it with you guys in real time. There's some pretty cool features about it. So I just wanted to unbox it with you guys as if it was my first time as well. Dog, I am so salty right now. Basically, I filmed and edited this whole video, got it under 5 minutes, and look what happened. This part right here, this is the whole unboxing. It looks longer than it probably was. It's only about a minute. But I tried to clear some space on my computer, and some of the space that got cleared was a video that I needed. So I'm just going to show you guys the card real quick, and the rest of the video is still there. So yeah, let's go. So here's just a quick unboxing. Well, I can't even call it an unboxing anymore because I've thrown away the box at this point. Just want to give you a quick overview of the card and a couple things that I like. One of the things that I like is there's no numbers at all on the card. This right here, this paper is just covering up my name. The fact that there are no numbers on the card provides a certain level of security to me. So you won't have to worry about somebody, taking a picture of your card and, getting the information that way. Some people don't trust giving their card to their waiter or server for that reason. With this card, they won't be able to see anything. As I said before, it's a member of the MasterCard network and the first consumer card from Goldman Sachs. Pretty true to Apple's product design. Very simple look. And last but not least, I just feel like this card is a social flex. It's an all-white credit card. Most people haven't seen it before. The card is actually made out of titanium. How many people have a titanium credit card in their wallet? Again, I apologize that I no longer have the footage from the unboxing, but these are the things that I like about the card. All right, let's get back into the video. Now that you have an idea of what the Apple Card is, I'm going to tell you step by step how you can get the card with no impact to your credit. Now, full disclaimer, everybody won't get the card. If you have severely challenged credit, that might present an issue. But again, the benefit of this is there's no impact to your score for trying. So regardless, everybody try, send this to a friend, let them try as well. Most of you guys will get it. Please like this video. It will be greatly appreciated. Let's get into the 5 steps. Step 1, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that you don't have a freeze on any of your credit reports. More specifically, your TransUnion credit report. If you don't remember putting a freeze or a block on your credit, more than likely there's not one there, but you can check by going to transunion.com. Follow the prompts. Just make sure there's no freeze. All right, I said I'm gonna have this done in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna have to speed this up. Step 2, go to Google, search apply for Apple Card. Click the one that brings you to the official Apple website. Pretty sure it's gonna be the first link that pops up. If not, I've included the link below in the description to bring you where you need to go. So just click that if you want to be safe. Step 3, and please pay attention. You're going to apply for the card. Yes, you're going to fill out your information, your income, different things like that. But please listen. Do not accept the card. Doesn't matter what amount of money it says. Stop right where you are. That part is very important. Step 4, you're going to go back to transunion.com. Now you are going to add the freeze on your credit report. So go through the prompts, add the freeze to your credit report. This is step 5, and this is the final step. Once you have the freeze on your credit report, just go back to Apple and accept your offer. And that is all. The card is yours. The card will be available immediately in your Apple Wallet, so you'll be able to use it for things like Apple Pay, or if you're shopping online, you'll have the card information already. The physical card will be in the mail, coming to the address that you provided during the application process. Now, I showed you guys the card. I showed you how to get the card. I don't know how long this is going to last. Once a lot of people start doing it, Apple might catch on and stop the whole thing. If you have 5 minutes, knock it out today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please share this video. Share it with your friends, family members, etc. Anyone that you think can benefit from this, which is pretty much everybody. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. More videos to come.